I was in a still moment yesterday doing the dishes, and ironically, in those moments is when we're more open to downloads. I clearly heard a voice telling me, "You're not struggling, you're growing." And I am convinced that this was not coincidence. I believe that was my higher self speaking to me. And I believe it came at the right time when I needed it. Maybe I said this in previous videos, but sometimes it feels like I'm drifting in a large ocean with no sense of direction. And I thought about it, and I think that's what growth is about. Sometimes it feels like you're lost, but in a way, the current of the ocean is actually taking you somewhere. And even though you don't know exactly where you're going to end up, it's not only about ending up somewhere, it's about the destination. Sometimes growth isn't always about climbing a mountain in a straight path. Sometimes it means floating in uncertainty and trusting that the tide is going to take you where you need to go or where you need to be. And even though it's scary sometimes, at least I'm not drowning, right? And you are not either. As long as you stay afloat and trust the process, trust the current of life, you will end up somewhere better than you ever expected. When I heard that sentence, "You're not struggling, you're growing," my soul felt a sense of relief right away. And I believe that that's my soul recognizing that there's some truth in what I heard or felt. I'm proud of myself for actually feeling those feelings and letting those thoughts in instead of numbing them. And not only that, taking action on what my higher self is telling me to do, which is create content. In the past, I used to numb myself, distract myself because I was too afraid of actually taking action whenever I got one of those downloads. But now that I let the feelings in, I am believing, or at least I'm trusting that whatever instructions I get are for a good reason, to lead me into a certain direction. So whenever I feel doubt, I remind myself that this is coming from my higher self and I should have faith that it has good intentions. So with me saying this, I just want to tell you that no matter what it is you're going through, have faith that whatever it is you've been asking for is coming your way. It might be a year from now, a couple of months from now, or maybe 10 years from now. But don't neglect your intuition. Don't neglect your inner voice. Don't ignore or neglect your higher self, because it's talking to you for a reason. It's talking to you because it knows what's best for you. And don't numb yourself with substances or vices or any other type of distraction just because you're afraid. Take some time to write down the downloads you get, and not only that, just record them. It doesn't mean you have to put them online right away, but record them so you have things to look back on. The thing is, when I get a download and I speak to you, for example, like this on camera, afterwards I feel like it wasn't me talking, it was someone else. Because I feel like when I speak, as I'm getting the downloads, it's taking over me in a good way. I hope I'm making sense. Anyway, just make sure that you don't ignore the feeling you have inside. If it's something you wanted to do for a very long time and you've had it for years and you're still not taking action, just make sure to take action, because I keep coming back to the same thing. Life is short, life is unpredictable. You might not get a chance tomorrow to actually do the thing your higher self told you to do. So take action. I realized that me struggling to actually take action on my YouTube ideas or my content ideas is the pain point that I can use to actually make me stronger and help you to have the courage to actually take action. So, like I said before, I'm working on a digital product. I don't know by the time that I upload this video that it's already done, but I'm working on this digital product to help people, encourage people to actually take action and record their first video. It is a digital product that consists of a couple of steps for you to take in order to take action. And if you follow these steps seriously, you will have your first video uploaded within 7 days. So again, I don't know yet when I'm going to upload this video, but I want to talk about it already. So when I do upload it, and hopefully it's already done, you get this information, right? So I want to thank you for your time. Oh yeah, before I forget, if it's done, I'm just going to say this right now already. First link in the description, you can download this ebook and it's free. Download it, follow the steps, and I want to know if you made it that far to actually follow those steps. Leave in the comment section how it helped you, and I would love to have some feedback so I know how to adjust it or where to adjust it and make it better. Alright, if you made it this far, thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.